In today's video, it is the time for my first project pan update. This is my very first project pan update. I started this project pan inspired by Shreya Jain. So yeah, if you are new to project pan, I will try to link my first video, which was the introductory video. Basically, it's just the tracking of usage of your product, using up your makeup products which are expired, maybe close to expired, or something which you don't want to keep in your makeup collection. So it is a good way of using up a makeup if you have multiples in each category. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so now I'm not going in any particular order. I'm just telling you the progress whichever I'm grabbing. And first of all is my palette. So this is like, my goal is to use this up, and there is like, I have used these 4 or 5 shades. So the progress is slow, and I am doing some testing out new makeups and stuff, so I'm not focusing on this entirely, but hopefully in 6 months we can see some progress. And yeah. Okay, so the next we have my bronzer, and I'm really happy that I hope you can see that there was only dip on this side, and I love this banana powder. I don't want to use this up, but I want to use this bronzer, and now there is a dip, and I use it almost every day. Today I have not used it because I was doing first impression, but I am using it so much, and hopefully in 2 months we can see a pan. I don't know, but I'm using it, and there is a dip. I will insert close-up shots as well, because from maybe from the other camera you can see better. Okay, so a not so happy progress is this blush palette. First of all, I know I cannot use these shades no matter how much I try. Today I've used this shade, and this shade I've used twice, which is really disheartening. This is a pretty mauve shade. I don't know why I'm not using this, maybe because of first impressions and all, but I want to use up at least one shades. So I'm really hopeful that by the end of year, I think we can see a huge dip in it. Let's just hope. Okay, now for my happy update is my compact powder. When I introduced this was brand new, but now I hope you can see there is a dip. And yeah, so I'm really happy. I'm using it almost every day because I'm not a powder person. I don't purchase a lot of powder. I'm not reviewing a lot of powder, so it is easy to stick to a powder. And I'm not using so many powders, so yeah, that's great. Now I am so happy with this one. This is my primer. So I'm really happy that I'm using it almost every day, but it is really difficult to see a progress. It's maybe here, so maybe you can see that I am almost here, maybe you can see I am here, and it's a slow and steady. It's not an old product, so I'm not that worried about it expiry or anything, but it would be nice to, so it would be nice to use up a product in my collection. That's it. Maybe in half a year I can use that up, so we'll see that. So a very happy update. I'm so happy about this highlighter. This was brand new, and now you can see there is slight wear here, so I will insert again a close-up. I'm using this because I don't want to spoil the embossing, so I'm using from this side, and there is a huge dip, and I'm so happy that I'm able to see some decent progress. Okay, so maybe the most exciting one is this lipstick, you guys. I was never using this one, so this is, I thought my 300 rupees wasted, but now look at it. Maybe I can finish this up in 6 months or so. I'm using it as a green blush, and I'm loving it. There's only this much left. I'm so happy with the progress of especially this one. I thought my 300 rupees just wasted, but no, it is a really pretty coral blush. I'm loving it. Okay, so about this lip liner, I don't know, before putting it in a project, and I thought it's a give me product because I was using it daily, but after that I forgot to even use it. Maybe once or twice I've used it, but this is a new product, so I'm not in a hurry to use this up. But still, I think the progress of this one is really slow. So yeah. Okay, so this blush, my goal was not, I'm not trying to hit pan on this. I just give me a goal of reaching it 15 times. So maybe in 3 months I can reach, and if I will reach my 15 time goals, I will roll it with other product. But I think I've used it 4 times or 5 times. I was not calculating this, but now I will mark it because this is a goal driven, not a usage. I'm not want to hit pan, I just want to see usage, and that's why from next month I will track my usage. But I'm guessing I have used it 4 or 5 times. Okay, so another lipstick, that lipstick for this was really good, but I don't know why. This is a really pretty brownie nude, but I'm not reaching for this shade. And I don't know, maybe I'm doing so many first impressions, that's why. And I'm lately applying a lot of reds, not nudes. So not that exciting project progress with that one. Okay, so now a really exciting one is this much left. This is my another Lakme 925 lipstick, and can you see it's only barely left, so I'm including this, but it's a give me product because it's already gone, and I'm using this as my cream blush. So maybe in next update this will be my empty. So yeah, I have never used up a lipstick, and I'm so excited that I have used up an lipstick. I'm so excited. Okay, so this concealer was not also on this project, but I'm including this because I want to keep one concealer. And the reason I'm putting this because I've taken out the stopper, you guys. Nothing was coming out, so I took the stopper. And after that, I think I can still use it for a month. So maybe this will also be in my empties next month. So I'm really hopeful for this one. Okay, now about this BB cream, I'm not even using this, guys, to be honest. I'm not even using it, and it's already expired in 5/2020. So I'm like, should I throw this or not? Maybe I will try to use it. If I like it, I will, and I will never repurchase it. I will rather promote an exclusive brand like Mars, which have at least 6 shades, and those shades are dark. So rather than promoting Pond's, which have 1 or 2 shades, I will promote them. So yeah, I will never repurchase this, and I'm thinking about decluttering it. It's on my chopping block, you can see. Okay, so the most exciting update is this foundation. It's gone, you guys. I tried to squeeze everything out of it, but nothing is coming out of it. And I know it's a mini, but still it was 18 grams, and you normally get 30 grams. So I think I did a very good job with this one, you guys. I've never even imagined that including this within 1 month of Project Pan, this will be gone. I was using it almost every video. So I'm so happy with the progress of this one that I have never used up a foundation. Maybe I will try to cut and try to dig in something. Maybe I will get 1 or 2 use, but I think this is an empty from my side. I'm so happy. Hi guys, so this is me filming the next update day, and I was so confused what should be my next Project Pan foundation. So yeah, I finished up my Maybelline foundation, yay, within 1 month of Project Pan. So let me just grab the foundations which I don't like. So yeah, this is so cute. I don't want to hate it. I think this is best suitable for oily skin, but look at the packaging. I love the packaging, hate the products. So maybe if I will keep this in my Project Pan. This is a new foundation. This is the Biotique everyday sort of foundation, yeah, all day foundation. So it says all skin type, but I think this is more suitable for oily skin tone skin people. And this is the Lakme, the old foundation. The new one is my favorite, but this is sitting in my vanity for so many years now. Should I throw it? I don't know. I'm so confused. Should I throw it? Should I try to use these two? And I don't know. So these are on my chopping block. So maybe in a month of Project Pan, I will start to like these products. So yeah, in that hope, I am trying to pan these two foundation. You can see there is a separation, and this foundation is also up till here. And but this is a new product, so I am like this is a new one, so I would like to focus on this and try to mix with this with some moisturizer, try to mix this with glowy bases to make this work, because I don't like on its own it is really patchy and dry. I don't like this, which sucks because the packaging is so pretty, so pretty. Look at it, look at it, so cute, but the product suck. So I saw Shalini Shohini's review. She really liked this foundation, but she has oily skin. Her skin tone is kind of matches me, but she has oily skin type, so I should have maybe watched more reviews before buying this. And about this, I may use this, I may throw this, but this I want to use because first of all the packaging is so cute, and this is a new product. If I will throw this in my Project Pan, there is a hope that I will like it. So in that hope, I'm keeping both of these in my Project Pan. So on that day, I was so confused which foundation I should keep in my Project Pan. That's why I was like, maybe I will decide it later. So I thought, why not just film this quick introduction to new items in my Project Pan. So yeah, I hope that makes sense. And now I'll be good. So these were all my progress on my Project Pan. I am thinking I'm just trying to remember that I'm trying to recall that I'm not forgetting anything. So yeah, I showed you every progress. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.